Welcome. This tutorial will show you how to program loggers in continuous mode with Eclo ExpressThermo Windows 10 application. First things first. What's the continuous mode? Well, it's when you program several loggers of the same model with the same parameters in a consecutive manner. For instance, let's say you have 10 pallets to be put into the same truck and need to attach a monitoring logger to each one. You'll program those loggers with exactly the same parameters. Without the continuous mode, after adjusting the parameters, you would have to press the program button in order to program each of the 10 loggers. Continuous mode allows you to overcome this tedious task. Let's see how. This procedure is very straightforward. Start by setting the programming parameters, or loading a programming template, as you would usually do. See our tutorial channel for guidance on these tasks. For demonstration purposes, let's choose a Thermocron DS1921G and set a sample rate of 15 minutes. Now is time to activate the continuous mode. Reach for the commands bar and press the continuous mode button on the right-hand side. You'll see that the button has changed its appearance to indicate that the continuous mode is on. Now just press the program button. Warnings about data loss are shown. And the programming task carries on as usual. You should then follow instructions as they appear, connecting and disconnecting the loggers you want to program, one after another. After programming the last logger, just press the Finish button in the instructions dialog to complete this process. This completes the tutorial about programming loggers in continuous mode with ExpressThermo. Thank you for watching. Please check the ExpressThermo support site or the YouTube channel for more tutorials.